ASTM glasses versus
ANZ Z87 glasses.
There is a difference, and we're about to explain it. Hey everybody, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx.
And I'm Karen from Wiley X.
And a lot of people want to know the difference between ASTM F803 glasses and
ANZ Z87 industrial safety glasses.
I'm gonna keep it real simple. These are made for sports, they're tested for sports, and these are made for work. Is that a good kind of explanation? OSHA, work, safety,
on-the-job safety,
construction, shrapnel kind of things.
Yes.
So these are tested against things like balls hitting them, and these are tested against things like this really heavy thing falling in your face.
Or these little metal objects that kind of imitate shrapnel and things like that.
So if you're using the glasses for any kind of like if it's like a team sport kind of a thing, or your kids playing basketball and you need to get them the right kind of sport protective eyewear, the Youth Force line from Wiley X, my opinion, is the best version of any kind of sport glasses being made right now for kids. These things are unbelievable value. This kind of turned into a commercial, sorry. They're unbelievable value. They come with the full strap, they come with the little strap, you can go without any strap. Girls
Temples.
colors, boys colors, even though girls and boys colors, it doesn't matter. Guys can wear pink, girls can wear blue.
They can be interchangeable.
Yeah, no gender rules. Anyways, we're going off topic real quick. That's what these are made for, and that's what these are used for. And then we have these glasses like the Wiley X Gravity and the Valor, and so many really cool like safety Z87 glasses. A lot of people use for motorcycle or on the job or shooting or things like that. They're kind of a different world. So if you see Z87, if you see ANZ, that's kind of this idea. If you see ASTM F803, that's kind of this world. I would not recommend wearing something like this for basketball. And I would not recommend wearing something like this in a construction site.
Yeah, kind of in a nutshell, the ASTM standard, we're more concerned about the lens dislodging from the frame. In the safety world, we're more concerned about something protruding through the lens. So that's kind of the difference.
Yeah, so hopefully that was helpful. If you're still not sure which one you want to get or which one you need, or you need more clarification, or you decided that you do need this kind of stuff and you're not sure which one's going to fit you, please go ahead and contact SportRx. We would love to talk with you. You can call and speak to one of our opticians, or you can leave a comment down in the comment section, or you can email info@sportrx.com and we'll get back to you and help you get the right exact perfect pair of Wiley X's for your safety need. If this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up. Please, please, please subscribe to the channel. Later.
Bye.